This concept will change how you think about change itself. Most people wake up, run the same mental program, then wonder why tomorrow looks like yesterday. Picture your mind as a theater, same stage, same actors, same script. Yet you're hoping the ending will magically rewrite itself. Neuroscience calls this your environment printing on your brain. Every sight, sound, and routine flips the same neural switches, until your mind becomes a photocopy of your past. So ask yourself, if nothing in your day surprises you, how can your brain surprise you with a new future? The loophole: you can think beyond what's in front of you. Gandhi felt British rule end long before the empire left. Joan of Arc sensed victory while still knee-deep in mud. They lived from an inner movie, not the news feed of the moment. Your personality is the projector. Thought, action, emotion roll the film. Keep the reel identical, and the screen called life never changes. To watch a new story, you must become the director who dares to yell cut. Nerve cells that fire together wire together. Every rerun hardwires the same circuit, carving a canyon in your mind. Learning breaks the pattern: a fresh fact, a new route to work, an uncomfortable conversation. Think a bold thought. Your brain brews a chemical that lets your body feel the success before the world confirms it. String enough of those thoughts together, and yesterday's ceiling becomes tomorrow's floor.